everyone, and welcome to the Yarn Symphony channel. In this tutorial we want to crochet a no-sew little bag for jewelry or any other things that you like. These are really cute and easy to make for beginners, so let's make them together. First, make a slip knot like this. Insert your hook, make the slip knot tight, and chain 16. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 16 chains in here. Now I want to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. This is the first chain from the hook, and this is the second chain. So I insert my hook inside the second chain and make a single crochet. Single crochet in the next chain, and in the next one. You need to single crochet in all of the chains until you get here. When you get to the last chain, you need 3 single crochet inside of it. So 1, 2, and the third one in the other side. This is still the last chain. 2 single crochets, and this one is the third single crochet. Now we want to crochet on the other side. Like this. When you get here, you will have 30 single crochets. Now I want to single crochet 2 more times inside the last stitch. Just like this. It looks like an oval. And this was the first round. Now we want to slip a stitch into the first single crochet, which is here. So insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Now we want to double crochet for the second round. So chain 3, don't double crochet into this stitch. It already has 3 chains as a double crochet. So find the next one and double crochet inside of it. All you need is to double crochet until the end of this round, which is here. You need to have 32 double crochets. Now I have 31 double crochets and 1 chain as a double crochet. So now I want to insert my hook in the last chain, which is this one, and make a slip a stitch. Just like this. Now again, chain 3, don't insert your hook in here, find the next stitch, and double crochet inside of it. So you need to crochet the round 3, just same as round 2. So this is the round 3. You need to crochet 6 more rounds to make it complete. Okay, I crocheted 9 rounds. Don't forget to count the single crochet round. Now we want to crochet on rows. So I connected these two parts with slip stitch. Now I need you to make another slip stitch in the next stitch. So insert your hook and make a slip stitch. Now chain 3 and make 14 double crochets until you get in here. Okay, these are 14 double crochets and 3 chains. It looks like this. Now don't just keep going, you need to chain 3, turn your work, and double crochet in this stitch. This one already has its own double crochet, 3 chains as a double crochet, so yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, and keep making double crochets until you get in the end of the row in here. When you get here, I now have 14 double crochets, actually 13 double crochets and 3 chains. Now in the last one, just insert your hook inside of the chain like this and make a double crochet. Now chain 3 and turn your work and keep doing this. You need 4 rows of these double crochets. Now we have 2, make 2 more. Okay, when you crochet 4 rows on here, we're gonna change the color. So I'm gonna insert my hook inside of the last double crochet and get the other color and make a slip stitch. When you did this, chain 1 with the new color and make a single crochet inside the last double crochet like this. Now inside the other one, 2 single crochet, the next one, 2 single crochet, in here 2 single crochet. When you get there, you need to make a single crochet inside of here, so it looks like this when you open it. You see that? Inside of it, and 1 single crochet. Then we're gonna get here, so 1 single crochet inside of each stitch, just like that. 1, and when you get here, insert your hook in there, single crochet, and we're gonna get on the double crochets. So again, 1 and 2 single crochets inside each double crochet. You can just cut the white yarn, we don't need it anymore, just like that. So when you get here, we need 6 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now chain 3, skip 3 stitches and single crochet in the next one like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now you need to slip a stitch into the first pink stitch or your second color, whatever it is, and just cut the yarn pull it. Now make 2 knots here. Now you should just weave the yarn tails into your work. Okay, now just let's crochet the bow. For making the bow, first make a slip knot like this. Insert your hook, make it tight. You need 40 chains. So chain like that, 2, 3, 4. When you made the last chain, make it big and cut the yarn. Pull the tail. It's gonna be our bow. First, let's hide the tail. So insert your hook, get the tail, and make a knot in here. And then just do the same thing for the other side. Now count 3 rows from the top of the little bag and insert your hook in here. Get the chain and pull through. And for the next gap, do the same thing, like this. Okay, when you did this, just tie a knot, like that. And then you can close the back. Remember the 3 chains in here? Insert them inside of it. And for making the bow, you should make one of them like that. And make a knot. Exactly like this. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe for any future videos, and share, like, and leave a comment if you have any questions.